Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock people on WhatsApp in simple steps. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. First unlock your iPhone and open the WhatsApp. Step 2. Go to settings. Next tap settings in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Open privacy settings. In settings, tap on privacy to manage who can contact you. Step 4. Tap blocked contacts. Tap on contacts. Here you can see a blocked option. Now tap on blocked. You will see a list of all people you have blocked on WhatsApp. Step 5. Select the contact to unblock. Find the contact you want to unblock, then swipe left on their name. Step 6. Unblock the contact. Next, tap unblock. The contact is now unblocked and can message or call you again on WhatsApp. Step 7. Confirmation. You have successfully unblocked the contact and no further action is needed. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.